Hi, this is Harish here. Welcome to DB2 LUW Tips and Tricks video tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about DMC top utility. So the issue that I am raising in DMC top utility is the DMC top utility works on higher console resolution. Like if your screen resolution or your terminal resolution, if it is, I think if it is like less than HD display or something, like it doesn't work. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/db2law academy. And this is the scenario and the solution. So the DMC top utility is a utility. It's a new utility. It's an alternative to DB2 top utility. Both are still available. So DB2 top is also available. So but I think more features or things or like that you will not find. But DMC top, IBM is now pushing DMC top. So this is like a latest thing. So the DMC top supports only higher console resolutions. Like very specifically, I'll tell you, like my laptop, my screen size is 1366/768 cross 768. So in that, when I use with that resolution, the DMC top gives me some error message saying that, I'll show you the error message in the demonstration shortly. Like the window size is not enough like that. So the fix is like I obviously to increase the resolution, or like if you're like HD and full HD is the new norm, so that I get it, but I'm stuck with older hardware. So if I'm using like really old machines which is not a HD display or a full HD display, then I might get into this same issue. And the issue, the particular thing is like the issue is observed in 11.5.6 and it is not observed in 11.5.5. And the DB2 top utility, I think it's kind of untouched. So it is like whatever the screen resolution, it works either in 11.5.6 or 5.7. It never was an issue. The issue is only with the DMC top utility. And if you are using I'm sorry, if you are using virtual machines, like if you are having a Windows laptop and you're using virtual machine with some Linux or RHEL, CentOS, or whatever the supported Ubuntu Linux distributions, and in virtual machines you can always change the console resolution. And when I played around, I was able to get the value 1440 cross 900 and above. It works fine. But 1366 cross 678, it doesn't work. Okay, so I'm just going to show you that as a demo. So for that, what I'll be doing is, so first I'll be booting up this Eagle. This is the RHEL system. So I'll be starting up. Okay, so how do I change the parameters, right? Like the screen resolution parameter. Like for example, if I go here and I can say E to edit. So I come here, go all the way to here, and I'm going to say here VGA equal to ASK space, like that. Okay, and hit Control X. So what this will do, this is going to get me the modes that are available. So you can see there is 1366 bar 768 cross 16. So that is the resolution we'll use. So which is like 34B, 34 capital B. Okay. If you want, you can use 34C also, which is like 1366 bar 768 bar 32. I don't know what the last number. I think it has to do with the color, like 16-bit color, 32-bit color patterns like that. So let us go with this for the time being. Okay, and hit enter. So you can see here very well the resolution has changed. Like you can see the scroll bar and other things around the VM. Like it is adjusting the screen resolution. Okay, and it is booting up the system. Okay. I think this is going to be a long video because of the boot times involved. So I'm going to go in as root user. Okay, and I will show you the products installed. So I have two products, like the 11.5.5 and 11.5.6. So let's pick up 5.5 first. Okay, this is taking a bit longer. I mean, way more longer. Okay. This is taking an insane amount of time. Okay, so I have 11.1.4.4. I'm not going to go into that. So I have 11.5.5.0 and 11.5.6.0. Okay, so cd slash opt slash ibm slash db2 slash v11.5 slash instanc, yep, .4 slash db2 ilist. So I'll go with db2 inst. So I'll say su hyphen db2 inst. I'm going to say db2 start. Okay, before that I'll say db2 level. Okay, 11.5.5.0. So I'm going to start the instance. Okay. And I'm going to list the active database. List database, list db directory. Test database is there. Okay, so I'll go with that. db2 activate db test. Okay, and I'm going to say db2 dmc top hyphen d test hyphen insecure insecure. So yeah, all set, I guess. So you can see this works. There is no issue, right? So there is no issue. Okay, now this is a working thing. Okay, I have shown you something called as which is a working thing. Okay, you can see everything works fine. I'll just say escape. I'll say quit. Okay, so no screen issue, nothing here. Okay, so DMC top, everything works fine. Okay, so I'll just stop the instance. Okay, just I'm like in a low end hardware, so I'm stopping the instance. I'll exit. Now this is the interesting part. So I'll go to 11.5.6, right? So here if I say db2 ilist, I get eagle. Okay, so I'm going to say su hyphen eagle. I'm going to say db2 start. So I started the instance. So db2 list db directory eagle db. So db2 activate db eagle db eagle db, and I'm going to say the same thing, dmc top hyphen d eagle db insecure. So this is in 11.5.6. so let me just give you that information as well. What is that? Okay, 11.5.6.0. okay, I'm going to give this information. So connecting to eagle db. There you go. The window is resized to width 170, height 48. DMC top requires minimum window size of 150 by 50. I'm just off by 2 pixel, but I can't do anything, like that's the error message I'm getting. So I'll say stop. I will exit and I'll reboot the system. So how will I fix this issue, right? So I told you, like we can go into a higher resolution. Like when it reboots, I can do that. So let's see. So when it reboots, so I can go and pick up a higher resolution. So instead of 1366/768, I'm going to pick 1440/900 this time. So let me just do that. Okay, go there, hit enter E, and go to the boot. This is more of a Linux thing, so I'm not going to explain more. So VGA equal to ask. So it's going to ask, and control X. Okay, press enter. So now I'm going to go with 1440/900, which is like 36C. Okay, 36C. Okay, so that is like 1440 cross 900 cross 16. That is the mode it will use. Okay, so let it use that mode. Okay, so this is like a display resolution. So since it's a virtual console, since it's a VM, I'm able to adjust the resolution. Okay, so I'm going to say the same thing, root. Okay, now go to go to 11.5 instance. So let's so what was my 11.5 instance? I forgot. I think db2inst. Okay, so su-db2inst. Okay, db2level. This is 11.5, so I'm going to start this. Okay, and activate the db test db. Activate db test and run the DMC top. So this is in a higher resolution. Now you get no errors. I mean, in 11.5 it always works, so obviously there is no issue here. So I'll stop the instance. Okay, and I'll exit. So now I have to go to su-eagle. So this is the instance in 5.6. So this gave you that screen error, but now I am in a higher resolution. I have booted into higher resolution, so you should not see the error. Okay, you saw just before the message, like the window size message, right? So you should not get that. So activate EagleDB. I'm gonna say DMC top EagleDB. There you go, no error message. So I'll show you the statements. For example, everything works great, no errors, right? So for some reason, I think the higher resolution is playing some part here. Yeah, I'm not like, I mean, see, I'm using older hardware, okay? So I think nowadays full HD display and full HD displays are coming in TV itself. So I really can't help it. But any case, if you're stuck up, like if you are like stuck up with some smaller display and you want to work around, like you can work around using the screen resolution. That is what I was about to tell you. That is the tip that I wanted to share with you, particularly for those people who are in low-end hardware. Okay, so that is the 1366/768. It won't work. I mean, it has some screen size issue and navigational issues. 14440/900 and above also it will work fine, I guess. That's it. That's the tip that I wanted to provide you. Hope this information was useful to you. Please subscribe to my channel youtube.com/db2luw academy. See you in the next video tutorial. Until then, bye bye.